What's the biggest risk you took?
Buy houses all the time.
Are you buying houses in this market right now?
Yes.
In New York, yes.
Do you think it's an inflationary market right now?
Absolutely.
It is, but you got to get the good deals. They're out there. They're out there. You got
But
to
you
shop
have to
them.
dump them quick before the market turns around.
Yeah, I have 4 of them right now. I'm selling them.
How long will you hold on to them?
3 months, if that. 4 months.
So what's your view on the market in a 6-month time frame?
It's
I don't
going
know,
down.
It's going down. It's starting to go down now.
Really?
Yeah.
How'd you buy your first property? Was it difficult?
No, first one was easy.
It was all the other ones that were hard.
Did you have capital already?
First one mortgage.
We mortgage. We don't anymore, but we did.
You took a lot of risk. You leveraged.
A lot of risk. And we made a lot of money on the houses because we built equity. But you have to start risking or you're never going to make money.
There it is. So, in the beginning, what's going on here? How's it going, boss?
Hey, how's it going?
So, what's next for you in your real estate business?
Sell what I have and buy more.
Okay, so off the 4 homes you have right now, how much will you make, do you think?
What I make, I'll make up to 4, probably close to 600,000.
Wow. What do you have to know about